Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to configure your box for PC gaming. Now, the first things first, if you haven't seen it already, go and watch the PC tune-up video. It's like 20 minutes long. I will do my best to keep this one as short as possible. 20 minutes for a tune-up video is a little excessive, but I'm lazy and I didn't want to re-record it. So, let's jump straight into this. Alright, first things first, I would have to say hardware is going to be the best thing that you can do to obviously get your computer set for gaming. A graphics card is the main thing that you want. Now, if you don't have a good graphics card, you can always run the games in lower quality and stuff like that, turn off a bunch of effects and stuff, and you can still play just about any of the modern games on the lower settings at playable conditions. They just won't look as good, and, you might not have, like, I don't know, goo or something react as nicely as you would on a higher performance computer. So if you have the money and you're thinking of getting to PC gaming, upgrade your hardware. First things first. Graphics card's probably the most important thing, but on a cheaper scale, you can always just get a couple programs, keep your computer all nice and tuned up, as I said earlier. Um, oh, one thing, solid state hard drives, phenomenal. Just wanted to throw that out there. Okay, first things first, let's talk about Oslogics. Now, Oslogics is not free, unfortunately. It is I believe, $50 program. Um, I guess theoretically everything's free on the internet, if you know what I mean. I do not condone piracy. That's bad. I know it's illegal in the United States. Uh, the major ISPs just passed a new bill, or the government teamed up, I don't know, something to where they're going to start cracking down on piracy even harder now. And they scan your IP addresses more than what they were before. I don't know. I learned that from Tech News Feed, so check them out. They've got some good information on stuff like that. Real interesting stuff. Anyway, Oslogic Speed Boost, there's only a few things that you're actually going to need in here. Um, Most of these things, like disk management, can be done through the tune-up process. Um, but really, we're just going to jump straight into a system tweaks. Now, I already have mine done, so I won't be able to show you quite as much. But pretty much all you do, you click it and click optimize, and then apply, and then you just do that for each one. But I've got mine the way I like it. I like my visual effects. My computer's powerful enough to handle it, so I leave them alone. But everything else, you want to go ahead and just come in here and boom, optimize. This optimizing for Word just seems stupid in my opinion. Seriously, turn off auto saving in the background. That's like the most important feature in Word. Saved my life so many times. So probably steer clear of the Office stuff because that's just retarded. But anyway, that's pretty much what you want to do here. You just come on, boom, optimize, apply, boom, optimize, apply, boom, optimize, apply, and obviously if it optimizes something and you don't like what it did, uncheck it or check it depending on which way. All right. So next thing is going to optimize services. Now this is a nifty little thing here. It configures your computer services depending on what you want it to be used for. So home computers, even without gaming, you can still benefit from this just by home computer with networking, so just the normal stuff, watching YouTube, Facebook, doing a couple documents here and there, blah, blah, blah. Office computer, um, gaming box with extreme performance. If you're not going to be connected to the internet and you're primarily using this for like LAN gaming, this is the way to go. You can see it turns off a lot of stuff. Windows updates, WAN auto configuration. That's why I say not for online gaming and for LAN gaming, because you will not be able to connect to the internet directly without a router. You'll need to manually configure that if you're set up that way. And turning off your firewall is just dumb if you're connected to the internet, unless you have a secondary firewall like Komodo, like I have, because I don't know, Windows Firewall just, I guess it's not bad. But anyway, the one you're going to want to pick is Gaming Box with networking. So boom, apply. As you can see, I already applied it. It turns off some crazy services that you'll never use, I guess. Like faxing. Who faxes on their computer, right? You're going to be gaming, you're not faxing. Okay, next on the list is registry maintenance. It's similar to what CCleaner does, but it gives you the option to defrag it, which is great. Your registry doesn't get too fragmented, but if you feel the need, go ahead and do it. What it does is it sets a startup point, and then it will go in. When your computer restarts, it will defrag it right at boot, which is pretty nice. And last but not least is speed up internet. Now, depending on what type of a connection you have should actually determine if you should be gaming online or not. But this is primarily for, I don't know, campaign modes, I guess. Getting your computer the best performance for the game itself, not for online. But this is definitely going to help with your connection speeds and stuff like that overall, for watching YouTube, downloading applications, updates, everything, including playing games online like multiplayer games, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, Halo. Actually, no, Halo's not for the PC. I apologize, which is stupid. They totally should have put it for the PC. I would have played it. Anyway, ADSL 2 Plus is AT&T. Just so you guys know, they have the fiber to the curb, which is completely irrelevant in this video. All you need to know, these two are pretty much AT&T and Comcast right here. These two are slow. You should probably never use these two, but you can always do this and check your server speed. Speedtest.net. I'm pretty sure we all know how to use this, but if not, it's pretty straightforward. Begin test, and then it gives you what you have. Most people should have over 5 megabits per second. So go ahead, analyze. Like I said, I've already done this, so there might be one or two things that need to be changed, but probably not. And what it'll do, it'll set your connections within your computer best for your connection speed. So, see, yeah, some of the stuff could be changed. Boom. And then it's going to ask you to reboot now. If you don't have anything else going, reboot now, because I believe it doesn't take effect if you don't do it now. I don't know, maybe. But as you can tell, I am recording a video, so I'm not going to reboot now. Alright, that's pretty much it. Oh, wait, one more thing. If you go ahead and have this program, you might as well scan your system. This will kind of just give you a general rundown of what's slowing your computer down. Ooh, buddy, as you can see, I have some serious fragmentation in my hard drives. I'm working on some computer repairs and stuff, so I've been moving around a lot of files and stuff on my few hard drives. So that's probably what that's picking up. But you can go ahead and repair it. It'll defrag your hard drive. I'm not going to worry about it now. I'll do it later. Next on the agenda is a game launcher. I use it originated from IOBit, but now it's developed by Razer. I actually go to the IOBit website and it will direct you to the Razer website to download this. So pretty much what this does is it turns off a bunch of stuff that you're not going to be using while gaming, launches your game, you play it, and then when you come back, it shuts the game down, right? And then turns everything back on. So what you want to do is you can go in here and check things that you want to close. Unfortunately, there are problems like Google Chrome is a pretty decent resource hog. So if you close it, it will reopen it when it's done. Or Google Chrome will open up when you're done, which is kind of a hassle, but hey, it's worth it, really. So you just go through here. If you don't know what it is, leave it alone. If you do know what it is, you can make the right decision. Then you just click apply. don't worry about this tab. Tweaks kind of does the same thing that Oslogics does, but it, you see, we'll undo this. Yep, thank you. But it specifies for gaming, and it's more than just like internet tweaks and stuff like that. I mean, there's heap sizes and huge applications end faster, stuff like that. So, I mean, this just sets it up really nicely. Now, there's certain things, go through and read this, like prefetching. I do not want to fix that. I have a solid state hard drive. Um, I want to keep my prefetching off. There's no sense for me to have prefetching. And really, that's about it. Seriously. You can use the screencasting. I use Fraps, but I don't know what to do. That's it. Seriously, I mean, that's how easy it was. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I missed. I don't think so. Yeah, definitely. That's a wrap, guys. Really do need to defrag my hard drive, though, as you can see. Whew. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this, what is it? Breath new life? Okay, just pretty much what I'm saying. This is gonna breathe new life into your computer. So, now you guys have fun playing some Crysis 3 and some Dead Space and whatever other awesome games, like some Counter-Strike Source. Yeah, good stuff right there. Alright, see you next time.